Hi guys, welcome back to another really requested video on the channel, and this is about my favorite topic, facial oils. और आप में से काफी सारे लोग हैं जो कि बिगिनर हैं, they've not tried facial oils yet, उनके बहुत सारे सवाल हैं. So that is what we are going to answer in today's video. So basically this video is going to be a beginner's guide to facial oils. Before we proceed to the video, make sure you take a moment to hit the like button if you've loved this hairstyle or you loved the topic in general, or if you like me. Make sure in any case you have to hit the like button, and let's get started. तो ये वीडियो मल्टीपल पार्ट्स में होगा एंड आई एम गोना लीव चैप्टर्स यानी टाइम स्टैम्प्स जो है मैं डिस्क्रिप्शंस में छोड़ दूंगी. आप वहां से जिस पार्ट में इंटरेस्टेड है वहां पे स्किप कर सकते हैं. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द फर्स्ट पार्ट. That is, what are facial oils and why do you need facial oil? Facial oil is not a mandatory skincare step, but if you include it in your skincare तो ये फायदा ही देगा. So facial oils होते क्या हैं एक्चुअली? वो एक प्लांट से या प्लांट्स के सीड से या फ्लावर्स से डिराइव्ड ऑयल्स होते हैं इन अ सर्टेन स्टेट, जैसे कंप्रेस्ड हो गया, 100% वर्जिन हो गया, इस टाइप के स्टेट में होते हैं, विच डिपिक्ट्स द प्योरिटी ऑफ द ऑयल एंड दे आर नेचुरली डिराइव्ड. काफी सारे ऑयल्स होते हैं जो बिल्कुल प्योर होते हैं, उनमें कोई मिक्सचर नहीं होता, बट कुछ ऑयल्स होते हैं जो कुछ स्टेबिलिटी के लिए उसमें इंग्रेडिएंट्स ऐड करते हैं. सो इस तरीके के फेशियल ऑयल्स मार्केट में आपको मिल जाएंगे एंड इनको अपने स्किन केयर में इफ यू इंक्लूड, यू आर गोइंग टू सी एडिशनल बेनिफिट्स बिकॉज दे क्रिएट वेरी गुड लेयर ऑफ मॉइस्चर ऑन योर स्किन, विच टेक्स मी टू द सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ दिस वीडियो, यानी व्हाई शुड यू इनकॉर्पोरेट फेशियल ऑयल्स in your skincare routine. Usually facial oils are basically known for their moisturizing और hydrating properties. Skin आपका moisture generate कर रही है, उसको भी escape करने से रोकेगा. So basically it acts as a moisture barrier on your skin. And additional benefits of facial oil could be anti-aging, antibacterial and healing properties जो facial oil से मिलती हैं. Another very frequently asked question about facial oil is how do we include it in our skincare routine? Now skincare routine की जब बात करते हैं, you need to start with the lightest product first and put the heaviest one as the last step of your skincare routine. So the lightest could be serums, your essence, your toners. That will be your initial skincare routine ka part, while the facial oil would always be the last step in your skincare routine. You can also mix a few drops of your favorite facial oils or the suitable facial oil in your facial moisturizer या serums. उसमें भी mix करके आप एक facial oil को अपने skincare routine में include कर सकते हो. Talking about the AM and PM, यानी सुबह लगाना है या शाम को लगाना है, you can apply it both the times as per your liking. Now at what age you should actually start using the facial oil routine? So as long as you are okay with, you know, adding an additional step in your skincare routine, you can start including the facial oil. I would suggest start a complicated routine once you are out of your teens, maybe in 20s or 21. That's when you can start including the facial oil. You can start including it early also, but then in your teenage, I would suggest that let your skin be the way it is. Let your skin heal naturally. Let your skin create its own identity first. At the end of your teenage, you'll be able to identify what and all skin issues or concerns you have. Uske baad aap, depending upon you need a facial oil or not, you can start including it. Now the next part is which skin type should start using facial oil. Dry skin type or extremely or excessive dry skin type are the ones जिनको facial oil use करने से बहुत ही ज़्यादा benefit मिलता है. And but then that does not say कि if you're an oily skin type person you cannot use facial oil. No, that's not so. We have oils for specific skin type and specific skin concerns, but as said, dry skin types benefit the most out of facial oils. But if you're an extremely excessive oily skin type with acne prone skin, I would suggest you consult your dermatologist before actually buying an over the counter facial oil, because it can do more harm to your skin क्योंकि आपकी skin already acne prone है. और हो सकता है कि अगर आप first time में कोई ऐसा facial oil try करो which is not the best suitable for your skin type, you can actually fuel up your acne. Now let's talk about the best facial oils as per your skin type. So I would like to take a pause here to let you guys know कि मैंने इस channel पे already ऑयली स्किन टाइप के लिए जो फेशियल ऑयल्स होते हैं विद ऑल द लिंक्स, रिव्यूज एंड एवरीथिंग वीडियो बनाई हुई है. दैट्स गोना बी लिंक्ड राइट हियर. एंड सिमिलरली फॉर पीपल विद ड्राई स्किन, आपके लिए भी देयर इज अ फेशियल ऑयल वीडियो ऑन द चैनल दैट इज ऑल्सो गोइंग टू बी लिंक्ड हियर and it will be present in the description box below. But just talking about it in general, for oily skin type you can try including the oils which are very light in texture and which do not clog your pore, like jojoba oil, tea tree oil, because that will work wonderfully for your acne or for controlling your skin's sebum production. Then third could be a squalane oil. तो ये सब type के oils आप try कर सकते हो. I will be leaving a few recommendations in description box as per your skin type, तो आप वहां से जाके online भी ले सकते हो. Now coming to the dry skin type, for the dry skin type you can go for the facial oils which are really heavy and hydrating. So I would suggest to go for something like almond oil, argan oil and olive oil. So these are a few oils, okay? Detailed list आपको उस वीडियो में मिल जाएगी, आप उसको भी देख लेना. कि these are greatly suitable for people with dry skin. Now another thing is that you can use facial oils in conjunction with the moisturizers जिनमें hyaluronic acid हो. That is going to do wonders for your skin type. Now if you're someone who struggles with extremely dry skin, try out this tip. Try out a moisturizer जिसमें hyaluronic acid हो या hyaluronic acid based moisturizer या serum आप अपने routine में include करो, and then top it up with a facial oil. You will see wonderful results and your skin will drink up the hydration. And another very common confusion is the confusion between cleansing oils and facial oils. So guys, first of all, ये दोनों ही चीजें are totally different. Cleansing oil is like a substitute to your face wash, and we generally use it if you use very heavy makeup, or in general if you feel that your skin needs double cleansing, then that's when cleansing oil comes into play. While facial oil is something that you put on your skin and you not wash it, okay? So that's like a leave-on product, while cleansing oil is a wash-off product. If you're a beginner in the facial oils wala thing, what you can do is you can start with the cleansing oil first, because that will sit on your skin for a few minutes, and then you can see how your skin responds to these cleansing oils. So that could be one best way of including an oil in your skincare routine. And another, obviously, if you are actually including a facial oil, make sure you do not go all crazy in the first go. हमेशा patch test करना चाहिए. Start with maybe once in 3 days, then you can keep on increasing, and you can see how your skin responds to these new facial oils. So I think this is all about a beginner's guide for facial oils. मैंने generally asked questions about facial oils I've covered. If you have any other question जो मैं यहाँ cover नहीं कर पाई हूँ, make sure you drop it in the comment box below, and also hit the like button if you have loved the video और ये video आपकी थोड़ी सी भी help कर पाई हो, तो make sure you hit the like button, because that keeps me motivated. I'm gonna create more content for you guys. Questions सारे comment box में drop कर देना. I'll make sure that I reply to every comment. Another thing is I'm also available on Instagram. My handle is chitranshi.me, so you can follow me there. And this is all we have for this beginner's guide to facial oil. I hope this would have been helpful, and on this very note, I'm gonna sign off, and I'll see you again very soon with another video. Till then, bye, take care.